Hi, my name is Nicholas Bulgarides and I am the game director and lead developer for Cosmic Chess. I'd like to start off by thanking you for your time. Of note is that there are two videos. This first video is a brief overview of the project, and the second video actually shows all four of the currently developed levels, each with strategic depth that honors chess. So what exactly is Cosmic Chess? Simply put, Cosmic Chess is a chess-inspired online multiplayer strategy game with particular attention paid to in-game tools to promote player communities. Briefly, I'll mention some influences: Golden Sun, World of Warcraft, Dungeons & Dragons, Hearthstone, and chess. Of note is that the game was born out of a frustration with Hearthstone feeling like winning was pure luck or pulling a slot machine. I love the fantasy element of Hearthstone, but want something more fair to play, less luck-based, and so I landed on chess as a base game structure. Note the art is in transition from placeholder art to digital paintings. As a publishing studio, I understand that you are primarily interested in the monetizable nature of the game. Firstly, metrics online say that hundreds of millions of players play chess, and many people play competitive strategy games such as Hearthstone, Gwent, Magic the Gathering, and more. I believe Cosmic Chess's focus on fairness and symmetry challenges many of these popular games because winning feels skill-based, not luck-based, and it is not a pay-to-win model. That being said, I do envision the eventual creation of an alternate game mode called Artifact Wars, which would feature collectible items with scarcity in a competitive sense. Aside from the viability of the game genre/structure, I'd like to talk about a proposal for game monetization that I think is unique. I believe the game could successfully offer a software-as-a-service model called Creative Plus. For $2 to $3 monthly or $24 to $36 per year, players would be able to use in-game tools that allow for them to create custom maps, units, and abilities and share them with their friends, thus promoting community growth and participation. Additionally, members of Creative Plus would gain access to tournaments with prizes such as collectible skins, avatars, items, and more. Finally, Creative Plus held by a guild leader could unlock premium features for a guild, such as additional music for the guild radio or jukebox. Having spoken about monetization and viability of the game, I will talk briefly about the nature and stage of the project and upcoming goals/timelines. The game is built in Java on JavaFX, which allows for rapid development of complex UI elements, and the game runs natively on Windows, Mac, and Linux and can be ported to Android with limited effort. The game is functioning online multiplayer with SSL encryption, and over the next few weeks, we are connecting the game to a login database. We are paying special attention to security, and Francisco Zampieri, a professional Java developer, is serving as the cloud architect for the game and getting the game onto Amazon AWS EC2 servers. The game is currently online enabled only. Emphasis was made during development to focus on the hardest part of the game first, the online competitive multiplayer. If chess has hundreds or thousands of hours of strategic gameplay to offer, Cosmic Chess matches or exceeds this, and we believe that a community could be built around the game while an optional story mode was developed. Timeline, goals, other notes. We are highly interested in working with a publisher, but are also considering an April Kickstarter, which is the highest success ratio month. Our planned promise for the Kickstarter is to expand the level offerings from 4 to 8. We are working actively on the online login system database as well as the guild/social system. These will be completed by mid to late February, and we believe these will be a huge value add for players, with the core feature being the ability of guild members to co-spectate a guild member in the guild spotlight. Depending on the resources we find ourselves able to work with, we could simply expand the game to 8 levels and do a 2023 release, or we could work on the game for another year to add a story mode. About the team. There are 4 members of the team currently. There is me, Nicholas Bulgarides, game director and lead developer, Francisco Zampieri, cloud architect, Chanuka Hemachandra, art director and digital painter, and Mattia Production is our composer. Thank you for your time.